First they're like, it's for heroes. Then they're like, it's not for heroes. Hometown Heroes is confusing. They're like, $100 million coming out on July 1st. Now they're like, not really. So there's been a lot of news about Hometown Heroes coming out on July 1st, 2025 with another $100 million put into the fund. Now, if you know about Hometown Heroes, you know that the way it works is they give you up to 5% of your loan amount, up to $35,000 as a non-repayable second loan. This is the down payment assistance. Now, it's not forgiven, but you also don't make payments on it. When you sell your house or you refinance your house, which pays off your existing mortgage, that will also pay off the down payment assistance, that second loan. Where does this go? It goes back into the Hometown Heroes fund. Unfortunately, a lot of clients or a lot of homeowners, including my clients, got Hometown Heroes when rates were low, which is excellent. And it's only been a few years, so they either haven't refinanced because rates were lower when they got their mortgage, or they haven't sold and moved. Also because home prices have continued to climb, so a lot of people aren't moving into larger homes with higher payments. So we haven't seen enough sales or refinances for the fund to be refilled from the loans that were given. So what we need is an act of Congress. We need the Florida government to actually pass a bill to refill the stores or refill the fund in order to continue to entice home buyers with the Hometown Heroes program. But we heard $100 million is coming out on July 1st. A lot of people talked about it, including myself. I was very excited. But I called up my rep over at Florida Finance Housing Authority, and he said, you'll know when we know, which is code for it's not happening, but if it does, I'll let you know. Can't say anything officially. And finally, we saw another statement come out that says, just recently, like 2 days ago, that says, hey, funding hasn't been approved yet, and it won't be announced until it's actually approved. So this is what I'm proposing. Let's talk about Hometown Heroes. Let's not spend too much time on it, but let's refresh our memory on exactly what it takes. Let's get our buyers ready just in case it does get refilled, because last time it was refilled $100 million, the funds ran out in like 55 days, which is less than 2 months. And this time, if only 50 million is approved, which is the current number floating around right now, oh, that's going to go real fast. In fact, that's going to go to my buyers, but it's going to go real fast. So let's be ready. Join my Zoom call on June 17th, 10 a.m. to get your refresher on Hometown Heroes, how you can talk about it, how you can help your buyers, and feel free to ask any questions that you have. See my link in the caption below or description below, and I will see you there.